I Ayushwani from class 11C, and the thought of the day is failure is only the opportunity to begin again, only this time more wisely. I repeat it again, failure is only the opportunity to begin again, only this time more wisely. Thank you, have a wonderful day.
My name is Karina I, and today's scripture is from Philippians chapter 4, verse 30, which says, I can do all this through him who gives me strength. I repeat, I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I, Rehan Ahmed, am going to deliver the meaning of the scripture. The words emphasize that with God's strength and guidance, we can overcome challenges and failure. It encourages believers to trust in God's power to help them in difficult times. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good morning everyone. I am Pushpa with today's news headlines. Delhi air pollution doctors flag 40% rise in eye-related problems in toxic air quality index. Union Minister Giriraj Singh writes to Bihar Chief Minister urging for ban on halal products. Patanjali Ayurved founder Baba Ramdev refused to back down after the Supreme Court warned of rupees 1 crore on every product if you can't make false about allopathy and Ayurveda.
Good morning. I am Priya. Today's sports news headlines are as follows. India vs Australia. Surya Kumar Yadav accessed T20 against less than a week after World Cup final struggle. China matters. Super 750 struggle. Surya Kumar show their revolution in front of former coach Ten Kim Harjoin. HS Pranoy in a qualified tennis will refer. Nadal makes his comeback at Australian Open. Thank you and have a nice day.
Who dare to fail miserably can achieve greatly.
Good morning everyone. Today I Shivam
And I am Prachi.
welcome you all to our morning assembly on the topic overcoming failures and rejections.
There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve, the fear of failure. In order to become successful, it's important to recognize that making perfect decisions all the time is unrealistic, and in reality, we are bound to make a great deal of mistakes. So failure should not be seen as contrary to success, but rather as an integral part of attaining it.
We must also acknowledge and accept that failure is a normal aspect of life. Everyone faces setbacks and it doesn't define your worth or potential. Treating failure as an opportunity to learn and grow and evaluating the lessons to provide a proper perspective on your goal can elevate you to a greater extent.
Now, to elaborate more on this topic, I would like to call up Sunidhi for a speech.
I'm Sunidhi and I'm going to deliver a speech on the topic overcoming failure and rejections. Have you ever been so afraid of failing at something that you have decided not to try it at all? Many of us have probably experienced this one time or another. The fear of failing can be immobilizing. It can cause us to do nothing and therefore resist moving forward. We all have different definitions of failure simply because we all have different benchmarks, values and belief systems. A failure to one person might simply be a great learning experience for someone else. Many of us are afraid of failing, at least some of the time. But fear of failure is when we allow that fear to stop us doing the things that can move us forward to achieve our goals. It is better to have tried and failed than to have never tried. Fear of rejection is one of the very common fears that affects people of all walks of life. We all need a certain amount of acceptance from loved ones and a society to perform our best. When such acceptance becomes rare and not forthcoming, life becomes miserable and depending on the degrees of rejection. People even try to end their lives. At its roots, perfectionism isn't really about a deep love or being meticulous. It's about fear. Fear of making a mistake, fear of disappointing others, fear of failure, fear of success. So, if you aren't mad about the rejections, you didn't invest enough into the process. Remember, the pain of rejection is nothing compared to the pain of regret. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Sunidhi.
Friends, you should remember that facing rejection is an universal experience and how you respond to it can contribute to your personal and professional growth. One such example is Jack Ma, former chairman of Alibaba Group, who did not excel in academics and faced rejections when he attempted to join the police force as well as when he applied for a job in KFC. He ended up becoming one of the wealthiest people in the world.
Indeed, this goes to show how rejection and failure are often situational and the correct judgment and determination can flip outcomes of any hardship. Speaking of which, let's not forget that today, 24th November, is observed as Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's Martyrdom Day, who is best known for his selfless sacrifice and commitment to the principles of justice, equality, and religious freedom.
To shed more light on this topic, I would like to call Shraddha on the stage.
I do believe that ideals ripen quickly when nourished by the blood of martyrs. Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Shraddha, have privilege to speak about a towering figure in Sikh history, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, whose life and contribution stand as beacon of inspiration and moral courage. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, the ninth Guru of Sikhism, was born in Amritsar, Punjab, in India in 1621 and was the youngest son of Guru Har Gobind Singh, the sixth Guru. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's life is marked by remarkable qualities and actions that have left an indelible mark on the Sikh community and humanity as a whole. During his time, Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was engaged in campaign to forcibly convert the Hindu population in India to Islam. He thought that people will accept Islam if Guru will turn Muslim. He tortured Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji along with other five Gurus. Aurangzeb ordered Guru to accept Islam. However, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji refused and protested against the Mughals. At last, he sentenced death to Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was beheaded at the center of Chandni Chowk at Delhi on 11 November 1675. In this way, Bhai Jesha successfully handed over Guru's head to Guru Gobind Singh, who is the son of Guru Har Gobind Singh, who is the son of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, for cremation process. However, Bhai Lakhi Shah burnt the body of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji at his nearby home so that it could not reach the hands of Mughals. The Gurudwara Sheesh Ganj Sahib at Chandni Chowk was built at the place where Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was beheaded. Another Gurudwara, Rakabganj Sahib, is marked as the place where the body of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was burnt or cremated. Guru Tegh Bahadur's spiritual teachings continues to shape the core of Sikh belief. He emphasized the value of selfless service, seva, humility and devotion to God. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was a warrior with a versatile personality. He sacrificed his life for people not belonging to his community. He was one of the selfless martyrs who helped various Indians to peacefully practice their religion. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was the symbol of bravery and courage. Due to his contribution and sacrifice, he will always be remembered by the people. At last, I would like to conclude my speech along the line, it is the cause, not the death, that makes the martyr. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The aim of every battle is to attain tranquility. To survive in peace and harmony, united and strong, we must have one people, one nation, and one flag.
In India, every year from 19th to 25th November is observed as Communal Harmony Campaign Week to create awareness, encourage dialogue, and foster unity and understanding among the various diverse people of our country. To add more on this topic, I would like to call up Sanchita for a speech.
I'm Muslim, I'm Christian, I'm Sikh, I'm a Jew. I'm a tapestry of faith, a living testament to the rich diversity of human spirituality. In the mosaic of religious identity, each thread of belief weaves a unique pattern, and together they form the fabric of our shared humanity. An auspicious morning to all. I, Sanchita Dubedi of Starmid 11C, standing before you to deliver a speech on communal harmony and flag day. The National Foundation for Communal Harmony, NFCH, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, observes communal harmony and flag day to spread the message of peace, harmony and national integration. A great and resilient country like India learned to outlive the nightmare of 1947, and our constitution makers did not leave anything to change the preamble of our constitution, which reads, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, secularist, socialist and democratic republic." In a secular state, religion is purely an individual affair, with the state neither promoting nor running down any religion. In other words, there is no state religion as in Pakistan or Israel. Right from the very beginning, the Indian state sought to promote total harmony among people professing different faiths, granting them freedom of worship and extending certain privileges to the members of minority community. The ideology of secularism is one of the main doctrines present in our constitution. Every Indian citizen has the fundamental right to freedom of religion, which lets them practice and profess any faith. At last, I would like to conclude my speech by saying, at the crossroad of belief system, we find not a battleground, but a mosaic of spiritual landscape. Each religion, like a unique ecosystem, offers sustenance to the soul, shaping the contours of individual and collective identity as humanity journeys through the ebb and flow of faith. Thank you.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. सबकी रोक है टोक है, नोक है झोंक है, पर दिल में भी होप है ना। लाइफ थोड़ी हार्ड है, अनदेखे कार्ड है, पर हम भी तो स्मार्ट है ना। कि माना इस दुनिया की हूँ ही नहीं मैं, अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, एक एक मैं पूरी तरह। कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, है जीना मैं पूरी तरह। ओ Thank you.
Thank you, children. Congratulations to Scholar Tie winners. And yes, in the coming session, we want more of you to take these ties from the stage. I'm sure you all will try. Yes, children? You'll start performing better than what you did last year and try to get better positions. This is what we want. Our friends today in the assembly, they took up this topic that we should not feel disheartened at failure, and we should always feel motivated and believe in ourselves. We heard beautiful song. Okay, I got attracted with the line, God give me another chance, for I want to grow. But do you think in reality we can get another chance? Is it possible for us to get another chance to grow again? It's one life, children, one life. And we should do our best to live in whichever stage we are. If we are living the life of a student, we should live the life to the best of what a student can do. Similarly, we have the opportunity of being teacher, what best we can do as a teacher, we should do, because this opportunity will not come again. Stephen Gerlet has said it so nicely. If I want to show love or kindness to my fellow beings, let me do it now. Let me not waste time, because I will not pass this way again. Okay, so keep these lines in mind, that the life that we are living will not pass again. Even if we sing songs, if give me another chance, I want to grow again, a chance will not be given to us. We need to learn from the nature around us. You all eat apples? Yes. You've eaten apples, okay. Apples have got seeds inside them? So sometimes, if you count them, you'll find that each apple has round about, I haven't counted, but I think that each apple must be having around 10 seeds. You agree? 8 to 10 seeds? No. Only 2 seeds. I think around 10 seeds. Anil sir has to count them again. Around 8 to 10 seeds at least in each apple. And you know, each seed has got the potential to become a tree again. And each tree is full of apples. So why so many seeds? The question rises. When each tree has about 100 apples, and each apple has more than, I'll come down to at least 8 to 10 apple seeds. Okay, next time you eat an apple, you count them. So that amounts, if you calculate 8 to 10 seeds with 100 apples, it amounts to large amount of seeds. So why so many seeds? Because these seeds, each seed will not get the opportunity to become a tree. There will be failures. But nature doesn't give up. That's why they have produced so many seeds. Similarly, in our lives, we'll come across various failures. We are attempting, we are not succeeding. We want to participate in inter-house competitions, we are not getting selected. We participate in various competitions, we may not do well, but we should not give up. This is what we need to learn. When you will grow up, you will face so many interviews in so many colleges to get admission. But you will get admission in 1 out of 10 interviews that you will face. Same with jobs. History is full of such stories of great people who didn't succeed for various times, but they didn't give up. They kept on trying, and ultimately they reached the heights that they gained. Whether it was Steve Jobs, whether it was Abraham Lincoln, or any of great Indian leaders, our lives are always full of difficulties. So don't give up. इसने क्या खूब कहा है ना कि गिरते हैं सह सवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चलते हैं. So don't give up on your attempts, believe in yourselves, and be honest, prepare well. No one can stop you from attaining what you want. Thank you.